Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go! Sorry. So in the red alliance, we got
Team 22373
Digital Dino
and Team 23284.
Beta Module.
Over on the blue alliance, we have Team 11139
Croft
and 14147.
High Voltage Goes Bananas.
Here in Auto, we're seeing the red alliance kind of take the lead. Lots of artifacts over by that blue tunnel. I think we're going to see some traffic over there as soon as teleop starts. Blue alliance trying to score a little bit at the end. No artifacts in the ramps. This is going to be amazing for gate management. We're going to be able to see a lot of artifacts scored into these goals relatively quickly as soon as we start teleop. Red alliance immediately rushing over to that blue tunnel to get those artifacts. Blue alliance just going to be picking up some spare artifacts as they can find them. And it looks like the Blue Alliance doing a pretty good job of keeping that gate relatively clear throughout the match. We're not seeing a lot of traffic. Oh, over there. Blue Alliance traffic with itself, 11139. We might start seeing some far shots here. Or this might just be a close kind of game. In terms of scoring, we're seeing a relatively close game. 16 artifacts for the Red Alliance, 12 artifacts for the Blue Alliance. That red ramp is filling up, but Blue Alliance, unfortunately missing on that blue, but Night Owl is still keeping going, grabbing those spare artifacts as they can find them. And Red Alliance taking advantage of that drop gate. Close match. Blue Alliance almost tying it up, 57-53. And Blue Alliance 3 in there. And the gate is dropped. That's going to be nice. Looks like Dino is going over there and taking advantage of those artifacts. Here in endgame, this might come down to the parking to see who can get in there at last minute, keep their composure underneath it. With 7 seconds left in the match, we're looking at parking here. Red Alliance looking to go for full and partial both teams.
So now, the Blue Alliance wins 77 match, 129 points. And now,
Are we ready for hands off, everybody? Okay,
let's get to 79 match.